Hey everyone, today we're doing one of my favorite holiday appetizers, meatballs in the special sauce. We're going to start with some onions, get them into your favorite non-stick skillet, some olive oil, salt and pepper. We want to get these seasoned and sauteing, but we don't want to saute them as much as we want to caramelize them. So we're going to cook them slow and low. Now we're going to start with the meat mixture. So we'll scramble an egg and add the seasoning. I'll include a list of the ingredients in the description. We got some panko breadcrumbs, and now we'll add the egg. Here's our caramelized onions, and I know they look a bit burned, but trust me, they're not. They're nice and caramelized, just the way we want them. We'll get these into the mixture as well. And meatball's best friend, Worcestershire sauce. Now we're going to mix it all together, make sure it's combined thoroughly. You want to make sure everything is evenly distributed, but try not to work the meat too much. Just think meatloaf.
I hate meatloaf.
Yeah, well, the feeling is mutual. In any case, just make sure everything is thoroughly combined. You can use a scooper like this to keep the meatballs consistent, but I like to do it by hand. The trick is to keep them the same size and shape so they cook evenly. Well, not so much the same shape because they're all round. That said, I thought, why not a square meatball? So I set out on a mission to create one. Meatball cubed. There we go, not too bad. You can cook these now, or if you're prepping for later, you can stash them in the fridge. We're going to get started on our sauce. So more olive oil, onion, salt and pepper, and give them a good saute, about 3 to 4 minutes. Now we'll add the chipotle. Chopped chipotle in adobo sauce. Make sure you remove the seeds if you don't want them too spicy. Next we'll add the cranberry and red currant jelly. Sometimes red currant jelly can be difficult to find, but you can use really whatever jelly you like. A little balsamic vinegar, and some more Worcestershire. My secret ingredient is yellow mustard. I think it gives it just a bit of extra zip. Make sure you whisk this thoroughly. Sometimes the mustard doesn't play well with others, and you have to force it to be combined. Now we'll start cooking the meatballs. I've got a nice hot cast iron skillet here. You can use whatever pan you like, but I chose cast iron because it can take the high heat, and I want to give the meatballs a good sear. We're not going to cook them all the way in the skillet, but I do want a good sear on these, so we'll start them in the skillet and then they'll migrate to the crock pot. And when the sauce is ready, thoroughly combined, hot and bubbly, remove it from the stove and into the crock pot. Watch the splatter. Don't burn yourself like I did. Cover and cook on low for 2 hours or so. Set this aside. Okay, when they are ready, get them onto a nice yummy plate. Garnish with chives or green onions. We'll give them a taste test. Fantastic! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Thanks again everyone, and we'll see you next time.